To tell you the truth, I can't stand you anymore. I get naughty thoughts anytime I see you. And I don't want to be responsible for you divorcing your wife.
That will never happen. You can't be responsible for this. That won't happen.
I'm still jealous of her.
I thought you were okay. I thought as beautiful you are, your husband is much wealthier than I do.
You thought? You were my first love. You have no slightest idea of what I've been through. I've been trying so hard to find someone who can satisfy me. Changing from one guy to another, but found no one.
But Maya, how do I fit into the picture you are painting? How did I make you an addict?
You have...
Yeah. Oh na na na. Libra on the beat. Okay for baby. Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad? Oh na na. Oh na na. Oh yeah, my girl, you so fine, too bad. Yeah. Vision Lacy, baby. Baby, I don't see that thing she do to me. Come namaya, oh. Come namaya. That can be fine lady. She be that pretty cute lady. But she got a bad mind. She got a dirty mind. She the play me, oh. She the bring in the cases. Oh yeah, my God. You so fine, why you too bad? Oh girl, my girl, you so fine, why you too bad? Baby, I don't see that thing she do to me. Baby, I don't see that thing she do to me. Come, namaya, oh. Come, namaya, oh. Come, namaya.
My girl, that girl, she be fine girl but bad girl. She pretend to love me, AFA. It wanna do nightmares. At first was a blessing, but now full of cursings. What they was up down in the kitchen when I prepare the dishes. Just keep mute, as a mente. Be your penny pa me, you mante. Beginning correction, and son of my acting. It was on a pair of Becca, infante. Obetina na share, ever say. If I catch you, no begging back to hometown. Obepo fante. Go.
Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad? Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad?
Oh yeah, fine girl, I can test ya. Make sure
Maya, I want to tell you how sorry I am to hear about that report. I never knew. If
not what? What would you have done? Huh? You used and discarded me like a cheap whore. My own brother never cared to call to check up on me. You left me to hustle for my life.
I thought you were okay. I thought as beautiful you are, your husband is much wealthier than...
You thought? You were my first love. You made me loved. I was there for you anytime you needed me. I didn't care about the time or place. You made me a sex addict.
What? Sex addict?
You have no slightest idea of what I've been through. I've been trying so hard to find someone who can satisfy me, changing from one guy to another, but found no one.
But Maya, how do I fit into the picture you are painting? How did I make you an addict?
You have no idea.
Maya, please wait. I'm really sorry. I really need you. I want you, please. Please.
What magic are you going to do? Are you going to reverse time to make me pregnant again? Are you?
No, please, I'm sorry. I will make things happen. What do you want? Name your price.
The same price again? The last time I named my price, I lost my womb. I don't know what I'll lose this time. And mind you, I'll be leaving this house in the morning in case you don't see me leave. Kofi, to tell you the truth, I can't stand you anymore. I get naughty thoughts anytime I see you. And I don't want to be responsible for you divorcing your wife.
That will never happen. You can't be responsible for this. That won't happen.
I'm still jealous of her. I wish I was the one beside you every night, rubbing my hands through your hair whilst you banged me hard like you used to.
But you know that can't happen. We had a deal.
A deal that I will never forget in my life. And a huge price to pay.
Please don't leave me. Please. What will you even tell my wife?
And who says I'm going to tell her? I'll leave before she realizes I'm gone.
Listen. We're gonna talk about this tomorrow. Please be here. I'll try and see if I can help in any way. Or even drive you to wherever you want to go. Please.
You never cared. So why worry now?
Good night, Maya.
Okay.
Okay. It been long since you called me that.
Yeah, I know. Can I make a request?
Shoot. Anything in my power.
Can I get a good night kiss?
A kiss? Okay.
Actually, I said a kiss.
You mean on your lips?
What else?
Do you really want to do this?
No, I can't. No, I can't. No. I'm sorry. I can't do this.
Okay.
What is keeping Kofi so long? Not even a message. He should have been here by now.
Earlier tonight, you said I've made you an addict. What do you mean by that?
After your wedding, I knew you would never be mine again. So I started looking for my own love. This guy at a poolside. Actually, I approached him.
Hey, beautiful. Do you want to swim?
No. I want you in me.
For real? You want a neck?
Let's go.
Give me a minute. Yo, guys. Yo, Charlie.
What's up?
Charlie, put me on loudspeaker. You put me on speaker.
What they happen? You did loudspeaker. What they go on?
Hey, Charlie, the girl is a nymph, bro. Could you believe I've won 3 rounds and she's still asking for more, bro?
Why you boost? So you go there and make the girl claim your 3 points.
It's
now. Talk your man, I really trust that child.
So, Riley, what be the action?
She wants one of you to come and complete my job for me. So if you believe in yourself, come and take my 3 points.
Yo, wait. Are you sure?
I can't lie to you, bro. Okay, you know what? Pick up a shanty and come right away. Alright? I'm at the Dangro Hotel, room 8. Yeah, room 8. Make it quick, I'm waiting. Okay, sure.
Sit down, where you dey go? Make no fool for them. Sit down, my friend, sit down. Come on for them.
But you also.
Should I go that easy on you?
No.
Hey, I will slap you. Where you dey rush go?
No. Go all out. Don't hold back. Not even a little.
Yo,
I'm out.
Can you please call me the last guy?
How did it go?
Not different from the other guy.
I'm here already. Yo, come on. Look sharp.
Why this time I talk like that?
Mr. 1 minute. I better come out.
Your modest.
See ya.
So for this girl,
I will get that.
I hope you can do better.
Don't worry, my dear. I'm well prepared. Trust me.
the girls will be very foolish. I'll quit this thing against the
Oh no.
That was crazy. Are you okay?
I was just on my peak and then
See you, sir.
you did better than those guys, but then not to my satisfaction.
What? 4 strong guys, and none of them could satisfy you?
Not even one. And I had to do it myself.
And you pictured me on top of you before you came.
You don't know what you've done to me, Kofi. I've been changing from guy to guy till I met my fiancé at a restaurant. He had just landed from the States and I was so lucky to meet him. I can get my own drink.
Well, I'm not saying you are poor. I'm just paying my respect to the goddess of beauty.
There are a lot of goddesses on earth. Try your luck elsewhere.
Waitress, please get her a drink.
Are you deaf or something?
Your attitude makes me like you more.
I've been looking for you around, but Maya, so is it true?
Yeah. Oh na na na, Libra on the beat, oh. Okay for baby. Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad? Oh na na na. Oh yeah, my girl, you so fine, why you too bad? Don't be say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Don't be say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Come na maya, oh. Come na maya. That can be fine lady. She be that pretty cutie lady. But she got a bad mind. She got a dirty mind. She dey play me, oh. She dey bring in the cases. Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad? Oh,